Alright, so got my dry ice. I mean, I know that some of you guys don't want to watch removing sound deadening, but a lot of people want to do this, and it's actually very, very, very fun. I just thought I'd post it. Still got this thing. $10, 10 pounds, not bad. I guess that's the antenna or something right here. I don't know why, but I find this so ridiculously fun. And if you want to do this, I highly recommend you do it. So 10 pounds is pretty much 2 of these blocks, that and that. And I don't know if it's gonna be enough for both sides. So I'm gonna try my best to make it stretch. Reuse a lot of it. Alright, so I'm going to wait a little while until this thing starts popping off, and then I'll turn it back on when I'm chiseling it away. Alright, so it's finally cool enough, but for some reason this stuff is actually more of a pain because it seems thicker than the stuff they have in the hatch area. So I actually had to put half of one of my blocks, more than I wanted to put, but a quarter wasn't enough. You can tell that that stuff is way more thicker. Alright, I'm gonna cut it off right there. This stuff seems more stubborn than the stuff in back, so I'm just gonna hack away at it and just show you where I'm at. Alright, so I'm finally gaining a little bit more surface now. I don't have my chisel on me anyways, so the screwdriver, that's all I have. Fortunately, a few of us have prescription eye protection. Well, actually, that's unfortunately. Hate glasses. Alright. Yeah, this stuff is definitely thicker than the stuff in the back. So you're going to have to pound it out a little bit more. So you got to wait on it to cool it off more time. Okay, I'm gonna cut it off right there, show you where I'm at after. Alright, well, so far this is how much I got. I'm still letting up there cool down, but this stuff is definitely thicker than the stuff in the back. The stuff in the back is like that thick, this, and you can tell the difference between this one and that one. So expect to have a broken back by the time you're done with even that. That's if people have back issues, but I think a lot of people have lower back problems, and yeah, this can kind of like upset it. So I'm gonna wait for this to cool down, get that out, and then while I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna be doing this. And I don't think I'm even gonna have enough. I have one more block over there to do that side. I think I have to do that side some other time, or at least I can get this side done, like 3/4 of it, but hopefully I can finish everything now. But yeah, so I'm gonna get to breaking this up and waiting for that. Jesus Christ, I wish I had my my chisel. Alright guys, after some difficult times over there and a better time right here, this side right here, it actually let me remember exactly how this stuff works best. And chunks on top of the sound deadening does not get it up. It gets it semi up, and then when you go to chisel it off, there's still some sticking to the surface. But to get the best chipping, you gotta get it into like a powder. It's gotta be pretty much a powder. And this is exactly how I did it, and it actually worked pretty good. So this right here is untouched. Spread the powder. Leave it on there. There, now it's starting to crack. Big crack right there. So now after that, it comes off in pretty nice chunks. Now see, up here it didn't get cold enough, so it's still kind of sticky in that place, but it'll come off. If you have residue left over, it's all good. But the cleaner the better, obviously. I got a pretty good chunk right here. Pretty big pieces. Stuff is rock solid. All right. Man, too freaking stubborn. It doesn't want to lift as good as the back. Alright, enough of that. I'm just gonna take it off camera. Alright guys, I think I got pretty good progress done. Definitely the back was easier. The front stuck on a lot more. I still have that little piece right there, but I'm gonna do that for some other time. And yeah, overall, pretty good. I'm gonna bring the bag that was that contained all of the sound deadener, and you'll see. Alright, so this is the bag that has all the sound deadener. This is a clean 40 pounds right here. And yeah, so an easy 40-pound weight reduction. And I'll be lying if I said I wasn't doing this for quicker acceleration and all that, because that's exactly why I'm doing this. So yeah, do this. It's pretty fun. But yeah, so I'm gonna cut it off right there. Finally accomplished this, what I've been wanting to do. Next, I could move on to some other plans that I have for the car.